Let's run up a bag because I'm basically having to start at zero. So good thing for you is I'm going to teach you how to do it. A little bit of a backstory in case you're new here. I've always had a million side hustles and always known how to do a lot of things online that make money. But I have a job that's draining my soul, draining my entire soul that I've been putting time and energy into instead of being consistent on said side hustles. But what are we doing? What are we doing? So we're not going to do this anymore. Stay tuned to see if I'm actually going to keep that job because who actually knows? Because I have put up with literal nonsense for years. But, at one point it did pay the bills. So who knows if we're going to keep it or not? We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm going to teach you how to make money online. Okay, first we're going to set up an account on Digistore. Make sure you're setting up an affiliate account and not a vendor account, but the affiliate account is going to give you a whole bunch of products that you can promote yourself and earn commissions off of. You always want to pick top products, but I also like to pick products that I would genuinely use or like this light therapy belt. I use red light therapy at my house all of the time, and this light therapy facial mask. All right, so you don't think I'm lying to you. This is actually me and my account. This is the video that I'm doing promoting that same red light therapy belt with 17,000 views. But if you click it, it's me. I'm gonna put it on at some point, hopefully sooner than later, but the body not looking like it was, but that's okay. This is right after I got my surgery, but here we are. So I clicked the belt on Digistore. This one says you'll get 30% commission off the entire funnel. They are selling it for $88.65, which gives you $41.16 every time that you sell it. So if you hit promote now and then copy promo link, it'll give you your own link to promote this product. And then go to Pinterest. I just made a new board called Physical Products on my account. That way I could just show you how to promote these products. And I'm not going to lie to you, Pinterest is actually a real one because they make things super easy. So if you hit the create button and then do website, you can just enter the link right there, your affiliate link that you just copied from Digistore. And it's going to say pick an image. It's going to bring up a whole bunch of images. All of these ones are kind of irrelevant. But if you scroll down, I like to pick ones that are either realistic like this or have a lot of information on them like this one or maybe this one. When people are looking for a product, they're normally looking for something that is going to make their life easier or it's going to solve a problem. But this picture literally says solve, and it says the different problems that it's going to solve. So we're going to go with this one. And you can actually pick more than one image. So I'm going to pick this one, and then I saw this one that goes over the different places that you could put it. This one, and then let's do this one for fun. Okay, so I didn't even have to write nothing, but it made 9 pins. It posted them all to my Pinterest account. And then if you click it and then hit visit, you see Digistore. So this is my actual affiliate link. So every time someone buys from here, I'm going to get a commission. I didn't have to do anything. This was just already with the link that I copied and pasted from Digistore. You can get creative, so you can actually share those links to other platforms as well. But if you make, say, a Facebook page for physical products and then you just keep sharing all of your pins to that, you'd be surprised. You would actually do better than you think. And then if you got a little bit saved up, you can actually promote the pins as well, so they reach people a lot faster. But I'm starting from zero, and I'm teaching you how to start from zero, so we're going to do this organically. And if you want to get real creative, you could actually make say an Instagram page for that product specifically, put the link to it in the bio, and then take images of the product, put them on Canva, make your own mock-ups and things like that, and just promote it I would say 1 to 2 times a day. And then, before you know it, you're just selling left and right. You're welcome. And literally all of that was free for me to do. It didn't cost me $1 to do any of that. So follow me if you want more side hustles and tips. And if you want to be with me on this journey, going from 0 to 100 real quick.